Mommy.
Oh, what do you have?
Walk.
What is this? Oh, you want me to walk?
That.
Get up. Why? I have to walk the doggy?
Uh-huh.
I do?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put him on the floor for me and get him ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Oh, he's ready already? What do I have to do? Sorry, you're too much. Cheese. Where's the smile? Show me a smile. Oh, you're just too cute. I love you. All done, now what? Here's the doggy.
Walk the dog.
Oh, he's ready for me?